Kirsten Schlager. I'm Vice President and Education Liaison for Texas Eagle Forum. And I'll be here all session. I live in Weatherford, but we have an apartment here in Austin, so two of us, Pat Carlson and I, can be here throughout session to lobby as volunteers for Texas Eagle Forum. I have two bills I want to tell you about by Joe Desautels from Beaumont. He's a very liberal Democrat. He's a real smooth talker, comes across as very congenial, but he also has a very harsh side. And he is all about helping the children. He has two bad bills, House Bill 617 and House Bill 1188. House Bill 1188 creates a joint interim committee to study and make recommendations regarding early childhood education. He's a big supporter of pre-K. The government wants to get, the liberals want to get children into school as early as possible so they can brainwash and control your child. I've testified many times and said the other side won't be happy until they're in the delivery room ready to catch the child and rescue it from its parents. House Bill 617 would establish this study committee, and it's all about seeing how effective early childhood education is. House Bill 1188, excuse me, that's House Bill 1188. House Bill 617 establishes an Office of Early Learning within the Texas Education Agency, and this sets up a big level of bureaucracy. And that's the best way I can describe it. It means more taxpayer money. It means more people affirming that and telling the state of Texas that we need more kids in pre-K. Kids should be home with their parents. This is government subsidized daycare is what it is, and we don't need it. Thanks.